Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism today, martyred two innocent Kashmiri youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops martyred the youth during a cordon and search operation in Nagbal area of Shopian district. The operation continued till last reports came in. Thousands of Kashmiri youth have been subjected to enforced disappearance during custody by Indian troops and police personnel over the past 33 years in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Day of Victims of Enforced Disappearances today said over 8,000 innocent civilians vanished in the custody after they were picked up by the troops since 1989. The rising number of extrajudicial, custodial and fake encounter killings during the intensified military operations is a part of anti-Kashmir designs of the Hindutva regime in India. The cruel practice of enforced disappearances, the report added, has given rise to a new class of people called half-widows and half-orphans in Kashmir. The impunity provided to the troops through draconian laws like Armed Forces Special Powers Act gave them the license to kill, terrorize, arrest, harass and silence the people. Meanwhile, glowing tributes continue to pour in for legendary Kashmiri leader Syed Ali Gilani from all across the line of control and abroad ahead of his first martyrdom anniversary. APHC Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar and General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani in their statements issued in Srinagar said that Syed Ali Gilani is the name of unrelenting struggle for freedom against India, and the people of Jammu and Kashmir would not rest until they achieve the cherished goals. The leaders reiterated call for shutdown and a march towards Hyderpura in Srinagar on his martyrdom anniversary on Thursday. Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front and other Hurriyat leaders and organizations said that the sole objective of Syed Ali Gilani's life was to challenge the illegal occupation of his homeland by oppressor India. Tehreek-e-Hurriyet IIOJK chapter at a meeting presided over by Ghulam Muhammad Safi in Islamabad today eulogized the sacrifices of the veteran Kashmiri leader Syed Ali Gilani for the Kashmir cause. National Conference leader Umar Abdullah, while denouncing the registration of a case against 26 Muslims for offering congregational namaz at a house in India's Uttar Pradesh state, in a tweet said that the BJP government was making namaz itself an issue in the name of prohibition of mass gathering.